Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over how you can create an email template inside of your Go High Level in 2025. These email templates are going to help you when you're creating workflows, when you are setting up campaigns, and when you're creating email sequences so that people can recognize your brand and you can send beautiful newsletters. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Andrea. I'm the Irresistible Experience Creator, and in this channel, we help you create irresistible experiences for your audiences using automation and events. I will see you inside. Let's get started with the training. All right, welcome. Let's go ahead and create an email template that we can use so that we can use the same template for all of our emails and people can recognize us easier. In my case, I like to do only footers in my email templates, but you could do a lot of things with the emails. Now, the least amount of images that you have and extras in your emails, I believe that it lands better in your inbox. So I recommend my clients just to have a footer and maybe your picture and your name and your website in the emails and not have a banner and so many images that it will take your email to promotions folder or spam. So what we do is we go here to where it says marketing, emails. We put our mouse over emails and campaigns and templates are going to pull up. So I'm going to click here on templates. And as you can see, I already have a lot of templates that I've already created. So for example, this one, I'm going to show you the template here. I'm going to click the three little buttons and I'm going to preview the template. And this is the template. It already comes with the logo of the event, social media, copyright, and this is super important. You need to have a one-click unsubscribe option for your email list and your email address, okay? And you should also have your address here, your office address. So I'm going to add that to my emails now. To be compliant with the laws, we're going to create it from scratch. Here in Home, create folders so that you are more organized. And in this case, I'm just going to click on plus. And then it says create template from an existing template from email marketing templates that you come with. So you can click here. HighLevel comes with a lot of email templates. See, I honestly, if you're not having a newsletter, I wouldn't recommend this. Only for newsletters. But for daily emails, it's better that it's more text and less images. That's my email marketing tips. I'm going to click here, see membership welcome email. We could use this one. And then I would definitely delete this placeholder. This is pretty good. We'll select this one, continue. Okay, I'm going to delete this. You could have your logo here, but I rather have the logo here in the footer. That's just my preference. It's up to you. I deleted that. And your colors, you should have your brand colors already set up in the brand color options. So we got here my social media. We got the right now year. So this will populate with the year that it's now. You won't have to change this. Then location name. You can have this user field here, but I actually like to just spell it out. Okay. And also I like to use different emails. So it would be actually support. I rather have support here and have the unsubscribe email list here. And actually you should have your address here. So our email address is, our mailing address is, and then we select here on social media. And we edit here on the left hand side the URL. I have it in my stickies, so let me grab them. Okay. Facebook. I have a Twitter, but I don't share it. I don't have Google Plus, but I remove it. I don't use Pinterest here. I would add TikTok, YouTube, That's pretty much it. So okay. Okay. Let me grab my YouTube link. Oh, and I'm gonna add LinkedIn as well. Okay, go back. Now that I've done quite a few changes, I'm gonna click on Save Template, and again, let's change the name. Main email template. Okay. Now, you can have a headline here. I would say I would leave the high contact name, and then I would say I'll remove this. Okay, so I am going to get the freebie from Google Drive. So I uploaded it here. I click on share. I'm going to remove the general access. And I click on copy link, done. And then I'm just going to place the link here. I'm actually going to remove this title. I'm just going to put it here. And then we can add a footer, or we can add a layout like this one. Scroll in here, add my face here from the media library. Let's see. I can use this one. Then drop the content here. We go to the plus sign. I'm going to add the text. I'm going to say, I always say with love, Andrea. And then I'm going to remove this heading because it's the signature. And I'll add this link. Oh, and I'm also going to add my logo here. Click here, drag the logo. And it already has one of my logos, but that's not the one I want. So I'm going to go to upload media, uploaded media. And I'm going to choose this one. And I'm going to click on it and make it smaller. There we go. And save template. And that's it. That's how you create email templates inside of HighLevel. You could obviously add all of this other elements. You can add buttons and videos and code and a shopping cart and a countdown timer. And you can add all of these layouts and make changes. And you could here fix the appearance. So let's say you don't want this gray thing here that everybody has. You can make it full width. Make it like this. See, I don't mind it. I don't care if people know that this is HighLevel. Everybody knows that this is HighLevel when the emails are like that. So I like it like this better because it looks good on mobile. I can also select a pattern. I could do this instead, but all of these things, in my opinion, just takes you to the promotion folders. So I stay away from them. And we can have save items. Let's see. I already have a section or something that I'm using. You can use them here. And how do you save the section items? You click on the section here and you click on the little floppy disk, which is the save button, the save icon everywhere. So I'm gonna just save the template, and this is how you create emails templates in HighLevel as of 2025. So things can change very fast actually in HighLevel. So maybe they're gonna add more things, but as far as this feature, I think it's already optimized for everything. So I'll see you in the next one. You know what to do. If you like this video and you want more tutorials like this, comment, like, subscribe. If you have been thinking about joining HighLevel, the affiliate link for my affiliate link is at the bottom in the description. And as a disclaimer, I would get a commission and it's not going to affect you at all, but you're supporting this channel by using my affiliate link. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Bye bye.